Hello, my name is Nikolaus A.R.A. My number student is A15.2019.01528. The topic is Mother Nature with 5W and 1H method. Mother Nature. If in Indonesia, we know Ibu Pertiwi, which is aimed at Indonesian nature. English, Mother Nature is the motherland in English, but the global version are not specific to one country. It's more to the mother of the earth's nature. And back to the topic. For the first, what? Mother Nature, sometimes known as Mother Earth or the Earth Mother, is a personification of nature of the focus on the life-giving and nurturing aspect of nature by embodying it in the form of the mother. And next, Wu. Someone believe in God and goddesses who protect nature, and if a natural disaster occurs, it second that the God are angry. And next, when the word nature comes from the Latin and word natura, which means birth of character. The first record used in the sense of total world phenomena was in 1266 Natura, and the personification of Mother Nature were very popular in the Middle Ages. And next, why? Mother Nature is a term for the god of protection nature, yeah. And the next, where? Mother Nature is not specific to one country, more to the Mother Nature of this earth. Actually, there are also many mother realms of every nation and belief in the world, but the popular one is from Greece, A.R.A. The goddess of the earth in ancient Rome, Venus, meaning the goddess of nature, Mother Nature. In Hinduism, Devi Sri, the Indian version of Mother Nature, more precisely the goddess, the mother of rice. Southeast Asia or Indochina, countries such as Cambodia, Laos, and Thailand. The name Mother Nature, Buddhist mythology or Pramaitorani, and many other places that have their own version of Mother Nature. And the next, last part, how? Mother Nature is a personification of nature that focus on the living, giving, and nurturing aspect of nature by embodying it in the form of the mother. That's all I can explain about 5W and 1H method. So thank you for and goodbye.